Hello viewers, welcome to Nerd Digital Agency. Today I will show you how to edit a scanned PDF perfectly. Here you can see on my screen is a scanned PDF document. At first open the PDF in Photoshop. Now find the font of the text you want to edit with the Photoshop Match Font option. Select the font and write the original text as same in the document with Type tool. Select text color, adjust the font size and the line spacing. Match it properly with the original text. Hide the new text layer and remove the original text from background. Now make the new text layer visible and edit whatever you want to edit. You can edit easily because the layer is fully editable. Now I am adding a few outer glow to make the new text same like the original document was. Now we will add the necessary effects like blur, noise or shadow and others effects. This process will make the new text look like the original. Now we will add the necessary effects like blur, noise or shadow and others effects. This process will make the new text look like the original. Now add a few noise in the background of the new text. It will look like background is fully intact. That's it. Our scanned document editing is completed. The result is in front of you. See, there is no difference between the edited document and the original. If you can't do this, feel free to contact with us. We provide professional scanned PDF editing service. Contact us via WhatsApp or Telegram.